Start by baking 4 pieces of bacon for 9 minutes. As the bacon is cooling, prepare your chicken. Season with fresh rosemary leaves and salt and pepper. If you don't have fresh rosemary leaves, you can use dried rosemary. Just remember that dried herbs are stronger than fresh, so you don't need to use as much. Roll the chicken. Wrap a piece of bacon around each piece and secure with toothpicks. Hello, bacon! You can also season with garlic and onion powder and a small dab of harissa butter before you roll it to take the flavor up a notch. Lay the chicken in a dish on top of chopped onion and sprinkle garlic cloves on top. Place a tablespoon of harissa butter and a sprig of rosemary on each chicken breast, and then finish it off by broiling for a few minutes until it's golden brown. Enjoy!